Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So I have some really cute outfits to show you guys for New Year's. What was that face? So this first one is my absolute favorite. Like, I think I want to wear this for New Year's. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it is so beautiful. To me, it really reminds me of like Beyonce, Mariah Carey, which are like my big glam kind of spirit animals. If I was famous, I'd be one of them. So I love this. I feel like it actually looks like something Beyonce's worn. It is see-through on the bottom, but it comes with its own bodysuit. But because my hips are so big, the bodysuit is a little bit tight on me. So I just undid the buttons so that I would have enough fabric to cover, you know, everything. But I would probably just wear some like shaper shorts underneath, or some nude bike shorts, or even just like nude tights that are opaque. But if you are thin enough, you know, to fit the bodysuit, it does have a nice bodysuit underneath that has the buttons on the crotch. The overall fabric is really beautiful. It is stretchy in the right places, not too stretchy, and it is just gorgeous. I absolutely think it looks so good on the body. I love the draping. The sequins look so expensive. Like, this looks like a designer gown to me. I think this is even beautiful enough to wear for a wedding or for prom. Even a beach wedding. This could be a gorgeous wedding dress for a beach wedding. I love this dress. I wore it for so long. And I just think it's so flattering as well. You can see where the waist hits, and everything about it is just flattering. It's like just enough sex appeal, but still looks so classy, and I love it. The next piece is this really beautiful shiny material. I sometimes I don't know the names of the exact materials, but it's like that stretchy, like glitter material that's very stretchy, very comfortable. It does tend to cling to certain parts, so like it does make my belly look a little bit exaggerated, but it has this beautiful cutout in the back, and then it has this gorgeous kind of like peasant blouse top with the stretchy part on the wrist. It has a nice v-neck, and of course it is a leopard print with like gold and black. It is so beautiful. I would probably wear this with shapewear just to kind of like suck the stomach in a little bit, but if you don't have that problem, then you won't need it. I just love all the details of this dress because it's so simple, but it makes such a statement. You know, you have a little bit of everything going on, but because it's one print and a subdued color, it maintains like this classiness, and of course it'll keep you warm. I think this would look really cute with black tights as well if you didn't want to wear it without anything underneath. It's just so beautiful, and like I said, because of the colors, it still looks classy and chic, and I love the little hint of something sexy with the open back. This next two piece is so cute. It does give me more Christmas vibes, but of course, you know, New Year's, Christmas, it's all between the same couple days, so it's still the holiday season. It is this velvet two-piece, again, that has like that peasant blouse top with ruching on the top as well as ruching on the bottom. I want to apologize for my bloated ass stomach. I'm very bloated from all the traveling I did this month, and I'm still exhausted recovering from jet lag, which is why I haven't posted in a while. But yeah, I just thought I'd give a little disclaimer about my big ass stomach. But this two-piece is really comfortable. It's really cute. To me, this is like super, you know, in the house party. Like, I would wear this if I was having a New Year's or Christmas party in my house. It's just very cute, and it looks very like Santa's elf, like Mrs. Claus vibes. It's really cute. Oh, wow. And this last piece is so dope. It is this really cool, like very 70s, almost like futuristic 70s inspired. And it's the same material as that leopard dress. It's that same like shiny like glitter material that's like really I don't even know the word. It's very stretchy, very cozy and comfortable. And again, it does kind of cling to some areas. I would wear shapewear with this, but I think if you were going to a 70s themed party or like a silver New Year's themed party, this would be so, so cool. And of course, if you're someone who likes one sleeve things or like cool geometrical shape things, I think the little detail with the neck piece with the free arm is really cool. I also want to mention there are multiple buttons that close the top where the neck is. I only had one button closed, so that's why it looks a little bit loose, but it does look better if you close all three buttons. It'll look more fit to the neck. Really, really cute outfit, and from the back, I think it looks really good. I think my booty looks good. But again, like I said, I would probably wear it with shapewear if I was actually wearing it to a party. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to try all these looks on. I love New Year's, and of course, everything will be linked down below for you guys. I love you so much. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. And I hope you have a happy New Year, and I hope you had a great holiday season, and I love you so, so much. Feliz Navidad y prospero nuevo año. That was so bad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.